In episodes 7 and 8 of Woodcademy, we're building this dining table. At first glance, it doesn't look like anything special. Two movable halves of the table with a leaf in between. But with this table, you don't have to figure out where you're going to store the leaf. It actually folds up and stores inside the table. So it doesn't take up closet space in your house when it's not in use. We'll start by talking about the various design considerations that this mechanically operating table requires that are quite a bit different than a standard table. We'll delve a little bit into the design process of the table, showing you how Sketchlist 3D Pro was used to lay out and model all the parts before actually cutting any wood, and how a physical mock-up was made to verify that the mechanical system was going to operate as expected. We're going to build two leg sub-assemblies with a foot, the legs, and some slats that go in between to match the dining chairs that we've already built in episodes 5 and 6. And then we'll create the apron, which is also our slide mechanism. I'll explain that. And add a couple of internal stretchers that are the support structure for the folding leaf. You can find free project plans and the links to our show on Amazon at www.woodcademy.com.